Right around 2 weeks ago, I saw this post on Hypebeast. Yes, me being a hypebeast, I thought, oh my god, I need these. The very next day, I headed down to Louis Vuitton in Oxford Street, Selfridges in central London and inquired about the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones. Yep, I took a now. The very next day after that, I took a flight to Los Angeles, went to the flagship store Louis Vuitton on Rodeo Drive and successfully managed to pre-order the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones for $995 plus tax. I then had to wait 5 days. In 5 days, I returned to a failure. The shop assistant in Louis Vuitton accidentally ordered me the wrong color and didn't have the right color to sell me. I was so angry because obviously I wanted to get this video out to you guys and had the intentions of keeping the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones, so that's why I wanted the black color, but the shop assistant gave me an L and ordered the wrong ones. So I left America, Louis Vuitton earphone-less, and now here we are. What's up guys, it's your boy AIRPOD, UK's biggest hypebeast, back again with another YouTube video. 2 disclaimers, please ignore my haircut. Yes, I look like George of the Jungle and I really need my haircut. I tried to go and do that today and the barber was busy. Next disclaimer, yes, I did just put on this Louis Vuitton Supreme box logo purely for this video. Those 2 disclaimers out of the way, let's get on with this video. Subscribe if you're new around here, turn on that little notification bell, smash a like on this video so then we can carry on. So today, as you can hear by the title, I'm probably going to be showing you some Louis Vuitton earphones. Now, in this package, yes, a package, I didn't actually buy these from Louis Vuitton, as you may have seen from that Soulja Boy Louis Vuitton video. If you haven't watched that, make sure you go and watch that. I run into Soulja Boy on Rodeo Drive whilst he bought the LV earphones and I completely took the fattest L ever. So if you haven't watched that video, it's hilarious. Make sure you go and watch that. Basically, I didn't personally get these from Louis Vuitton. Someone actually sourced me these. That's why they're in a package right now. And we're gonna unbox this package. So, here we go. Right off the rip, here is the box. Obviously, the classic Louis Vuitton packaging. I think the guy actually has opened them just to take pictures and show me pictures and stuff. That's why the ribbon isn't in perfect tip-top condition. But I am super excited to open these. Honestly, I've wanted these for the longest time. I just wanted to see them and like own them for the longest time. Like this has just been the biggest headache trying to get this video out, but finally I'm recording it at 1 AM in the dark. Let's open up the box. Here we go. Oh, another card, crepe service. Cheers, mate. Anyway, so we have a little Louis Vuitton envelope. Oh, that is because we have the receipt. Anyway, that's a gift receipt, but the price on these is £885, which is just insane, and we'll get onto pricing and stuff like that, comparing it to Apple earphones and comparing it to the original earphones that these are basically modeled off. This isn't the first time I'm seeing these in real life, but I haven't really like opened the package or look at all the little side pieces and all the little goodies it comes with. There's another little Louis Vuitton gift card. What the hell is this? We've got a little Louis Vuitton booklet thing with an envelope, and inside the envelope is just a what? Okay. Here we go, I'm gonna open it up like this so you guys can basically see what is going on. We open this right here, and what do we have in here? Nice little Louis Vuitton mini bag. Come on, yeah, okay. And here we have basically just all the little spare earbuds, you know, the little plastic things that you used to have in your Skull Candy earphones. Well, yeah, Louis Vuitton are also using them too. So we have all these little plastic replacement ones, little small earbuds. And then we open this up. Again, we have another little Louis Vuitton bag. Open this up. Here we go. Oh, this is actually quite nice. Right here we have the charger, I think, which is actually a USB-C to USB-C. And, oh, there's another little adapter, which is actually Louis Vuitton branded. Let me get this out of the bag right here. So this is the charger, and it's actually all Louis Vuitton branded, which is kind of crazy. It's a USB-C to USB-C. This is a USB port. You plug one USB into there, and I'm assuming you plug the other USB-C into the earphones themselves to charge it up, charge the case up. Kind of cool that it's actually Louis Vuitton branded. I don't know if you can see that on there, but this comes in like a nice leather pouch, which is actually really nice, like a nice little leather strap. And even the USB-C cable is LV branded on both sides, which is actually really, really cool. And obviously that is how you get power to your earphones. Now we have this nice little leather case. Let's open the leather case up, and here we go. We have the Louis Vuitton earphones in the case right here. Let's open this up from the little plastic wrapping. Now, this case I actually really, really like. There's some weight to it. It's actually really quite nice. I went and got the red colorway just because I couldn't get any of the other colors. So I initially ordered the black. As I said before, the sales assistant in LA, Rodeo Drive, just entered in the wrong number and ordered me the wrong color. Basically, this is the only other color that I could get for this video. It is the red. It matches my box logo, which that's one thing, but here they are. I'm taking them out of the packet now. The case has actually got some really nice weight to it. It's honestly quite nice. There's like a nice monogram over it. It says Louis Vuitton inside. I'm not sure if they are charged up. I probably have to give them a full charge. But yeah, let's actually put them in my ear. Is this the left one? Yeah, okay, there we go. That's the left one. That's the right one. Oh, they just made a sound. Okay, so I've got my iPhone right here, and I'm gonna try and see how easy it is to connect to my iPhone. Okay, there they are. LV earphones. Let's click connect, and boom, they just made like a little doo-doo. Okay, let me just play some music. Obviously, you guys won't be able to hear the music, but I want to see like how loud it is, and basically give you my personal opinion. I'm going to listen to a song now. Okay, enough of that. Anyway, okay, they're back in the case. They're not bad. They're kind of actually, they're okay. Okay, they're not the loud. I just scratched the case. Oh my god. Okay, so they're pretty decent. I wouldn't say they're anything amazing. They're not really, really loud. And for me, I really like loud music. If I'm on like a long journey, if I'm on an airplane, or if I'm in a car, or whatever it is, a long journey, I like the music to be really loud so I can kind of just zone out. I don't think these are loud enough for me to do that. I do think the Apple AirPods are kind of that loud enough. I don't think these are louder than the Apple AirPods. I'm not gonna lie to you. Anyways, let's get down to some statistics because, well, these are $1,000. Okay, now what we are gonna do is we're actually gonna compare these Louis Vuitton earphones to the Apple AirPods because, well, these are £885 or pretty much $1,000. They're $995 plus tax, so they come up to like $1,080, something like that. And then these are $159, I think, or £159. So the price difference is crazy. For the price of these, you can get 5.5 of these. 5.5 AirPods. Or the base model of these, which is not Louis Vuitton, are £279, which means you can get 3 and probably the left ear of the base model of these, which means you're paying £600 for all the Louis Vuitton stuff. The Louis Vuitton box, the Louis Vuitton kind of bit on the ears, the monogram, the box, all that type of stuff. Paying about £600 extra than the standard model of these. And actually the standard model of these actually do kind of look nice. I researched them, I went on their website. They have 4 base colors, and to be honest, they actually look quite nice. So I did a bit of research on this specific model without the Louis Vuitton branding, but I'm sure with the Louis Vuitton branding, the earphones are pretty much exactly the same. So, in 15 minutes of charge time, you can get about 40% on your Louis Vuitton earphones. And when the earphones are fully charged, you get about 3.5 hours. And the case holds about 3 additional charges. So in total, the case holds about 14 hours of listening time. Now that sounds kind of good until you go to the Apple AirPods. The Apple AirPods, if you charge these for 15 minutes, you get about 3 hours of energy life on them. And fully charged, you get about 5 hours of listening time compared to the Louis Vuitton ones, where you get about 3.5 hours. And then the case actually holds up to over 24 hours of listening time. So if you fully charge the case, you probably get over 24 hours of listening time compared to these Louis Vuitton ones, where you get about 14 hours. 14 hours, 24 hours, £885, £160. These are louder, these are not as loud. I don't know. Just one little annoying thing I do have about these Louis Vuitton earphones are they just like, see? They just don't like go in the case nicely. Like, it's just not obvious where they're supposed to go. I mean, can you see inside there? Like, what is going on in there? You put it in And see, like, I thought it's actually that one, but I just thought it was that one. I don't know, they kind of just don't fit properly in the case. I don't know what it is about it, but they kind of just like move around in the case, whereas with the Apple AirPods, they just don't. Like when they're in, that's it, they're in. Apple AirPods, they're lighter, they last longer, they're louder, they're cheaper. It's just like, can the Louis Vuitton earphones compete? I think the only reason the Louis Vuitton earphones have sold is just because they're so ridiculous. It's just like, oh my god, all these rich guys, these rappers, etc. have just gone and bought them just to basically flex.
But they say like, you know, when one dies, like, trying, bro, I'm trying. Another's reborn, so say we bury these sweet Apple Airpods. No. And today we rebirth these Louis Vuitton Airpods.
Babe? Babe?
Yeah?
What are you doing?
I'm editing this video.
No, what are you wearing?
What do you mean?
What is that in your ear? What is that in your ear?
Oh, AirPods.
AirPods? What do you mean AirPods?
AirPods, so I can listen to my video.
Have you not seen these?
Oh.
These, they're Louis Vuitton. They came out with their own AirPods.
Okay.
Why don't you have them? Are you broke? What's wrong with you? Why don't you have them? They're so much better.
Because I got my Apple ones. Anyways guys, I hope you have enjoyed that video. It's been your boy Ari Petru, UK's biggest hypebeast. Please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn the little notification bell on, smash a like on this video, follow me on Instagram at Ari Petru, and wait 1 second, for everyone who stayed the whole way to the end of this video, I have a little surprise for you. What I'm gonna do if this video gets to 10,000 likes, which hopefully it does, I'm gonna give away a pair of Apple AirPods, because let's be honest, they're just better. So all you have to do to win a pair of these Apple AirPods is subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, which is at Ari Petru, exactly like my YouTube name. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and just comment down below your Instagram handle. And basically, if this video hopefully hits 10,000 likes, I'll go down to the comment section and just pick one of you at random. I'll hit you up on Instagram asking for your address, and basically it's that easy to win these Apple AirPods. Guys, it's been your boy, Ari Petru. Make sure you do enter that giveaway, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, leave your Instagram down below. It's as simple as that. It's been your boy, Ari Petru, UK's biggest hypebeast. Peace out.